Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And you guys know when I said hot, you know what I mean? I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm gonna do a simple little shrimp boil for you. Okay, guys? So it's just simple, nothing too serious, just something very simple. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get everything together and then I'm gonna show you my ingredients for my little shrimp boil. Guys, before we get into cooking the food now, I'm gonna have a talk with you peoples now, which is my friends and my family out there. Listen, guys, I need you guys to, when I make these things, I need you guys to make it. Try and make it so you guys can enjoy it, because when I'm telling you it's delicious, I mean it delicious. And as I said, it make you want to slap your papa, guys. So I want all of it, try it. So anyway, don't say that now. Now I'm gonna get into it. So guys, for my like a shrimp boil, all I'm using is I have some shrimp here. It already washed and deveined, where I take the stuff from out of the back. And then I have some corn, so it's just shrimp and corn. And for my seasoning now to make the sauce that I'm gonna use to make the sauces, I have 1 ball pepper, which is a half a red and a half a yellow. This is done with this 2 onion, and this is a thyme leaf. My daughter gave me a plant. This plant, she said it's thyme, but it's like a Trinidad or Guyanese thyme, one of them thyme, I don't know, but this is a thyme, she said. So I'm using this with this, and my 4 cloves of garlic. So this is my thing to make my sauce. Okay, and for my powder ingredients now, I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic plus all, 2 teaspoons of spicy pepper melody, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of obey, 1.5 teaspoon of shrimp seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of seafood seasoning. So this is it here: the obey, the garlic all, the spicy pepper melody, the shrimp seasoning, the seafood seasoning, and the garlic powder. So that's all of my thing to make my sauce for my boil. Okay, and 1 lemon here when it's finished. And here, guys, I have 4 extra shrimp here that I leave here that I didn't devein. So I want to show you guys how I take the mess out of the back. Okay, guys? All right, this is how I devein it. I use a toothpick. So I just use the toothpick and bore it in the back and pull it up and pull it out. See, guys? Very easy. Doodle in the back has gone to Cyan. She will not eat it with this in here. She will not eat it. So for my taste test, my grandson is gonna do the honors today, because he said, "Grandma, whenever you make shrimp, please call me." So I have Master Malik here today with me. Okay. So you can gonna soften now. So anyway, guys, now I'm gonna cut up my ingredients. Okay, so because when you cook the sauce, you need all of the onions to cook on. I love onions, so I use 2 big onions. happened, my niece, when she was living here with me, and when she's cutting up the onion, and I always said when she always said the onion burn her in her eye, I always mess with her and said, Tati, it's because you're wicked, that's why the onion are burning in your eye. So when I am cutting it up and it's burning bad, she said, okay, mom, so you are wicked, because the onion are burning in your eye now. Give me some garlic. Do the garlic now.
A big stick like that?
Yep.
For 7 shrimp?
Yep.
Guys, this is how you know she's been doing this for a long time, because she has her hand in the hot pot stirring the butter. Like, that's some gangster stuff right there.
Put a little olive oil in it too, so it don't burn.
Hey Grandma, would you believe me if I told you I made some steak the other day?
Yes.
And it was popping?
Yes, I definitely would believe you.
Jeez.
Because all of you guys can cook. You know, all of you guys can cook. There's not one of you guys that can cook. So you get this up.
I'm gonna soon get shrimp up.
So guys, now we are going to cook up these now. Cook the onion. I hope I don't have to change pots. I really hope I don't have to change a pot to a bigger pot. This, I'm gonna have to cook this down for at least 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna have to cook it down. So when it cook down, you guys will see how it looks. I gotta cook this down. Then this becomes the base for the this is the base for the boil. So this ought to get 20 minutes to cook down. Okay guys? Alright, so I'm gonna leave it. So this is what it looks like now. I think being you know, sauteed it. So I'm gonna throw in all my spices. The spices. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Campbell seafood broth. Yeah, this is good. I use this instead of water. I put a little in it. I'm gonna use the whole container, but I'm just putting a little now, and then I'll put the rest later. So I gotta get some cooking, get some bubbles into this first.
Smell it through the camera,
like the guys with the seasoning and everything in there. The aroma is just to die for. The aroma is killing you. And now with this, I'm gonna put some Spurtree Scotch bonnet pepper. Because Mama John don't have no pepper yet, but summer's coming. I'm gonna plant my pepper in a couple of weeks. You know. Yes, I'm telling you. Oh, Lord of mercy. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the color. Look at that. And this is just your sauce. This is just your sauce. This is why I'm telling you guys, when I'm making these dishes, I need you to make it. I need you to make it and enjoy it, because it's very simple, very easy. Very easy, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. You know, like, get with the program, people. Get with the program. I make this stuff, okay? Because you're not going to enjoy it, man. Just make it, you know. Guys, now I'm pouring in the pouring in all my seafood broth. I'm gonna leave this now, let this cook till it cook into liquid. So I need the onion for cook down, and I need the bell peppers to cook out. So I need all of that to cook out, guys. So I'm gonna leave this for another 20 minutes for that to cook out, to make the broth for the shrimp. Give this a cover and make that stick. So in the meantime, guys, now I'm gonna chop up the corn. You can do it with me. Okay, so these I'm gonna put them on the stove and give them a boil for about 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I bubble me, I bubble, I no trouble me, I trouble. I bubble me, I bubble. Lord, you see? I bubble it, I bubble. Now I get no trouble in it, just a bubble. Very nice, very nicely done. Very nicely. I am going to cook this corn no more than 10 minutes on it, because I have to go into the shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna put that 10 minutes on this. And that's it.
Do you put butter in the pot when you're boiling?
No. Okay, guys, I put a little more garlic powder on the shrimp. A little more garlic plus. Just give it a little bit of seasoning with its own self. Yeah, just a little bit of seasoning. Just a little seasoning. And I'm measuring nothing, just a little sprinkle. Alright. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. Stir up my boys. Yeah, stir up. Alright, so that is that. This is this. So I'm gonna serve my shrimp boil with rice. So I have 3 cups of rice here that I'm gonna cook. So my rice, my shrimp boil that I'm doing, that I'm gonna serve with rice. I'm making this for my grandson and my granddaughter. Okay, so they're the one I'm feeding today. Master Malik and Mistress Cyan. Okay, and me and Papa Harry, that's just the 4 of us. So we're gonna partake of this food. And Milo, because Milo gonna have a couple of shrimp. But that's what he likes. He likes the shrimp. He won't eat the rice, but he will eat the shrimp. Guys, I bought these shrimp at Costco, and these are some bigger shrimp Costco sale. You know, I'm a Costco lady. They have everything that I want there. Yeah. Oh, guys, it's just to die for. The aroma would kill you. If you could smell this aroma that coming from the shrimp, you know, and the shell, you know, it's just make you wanna slap your papa. Oh my. I'm transfer over the corn. I don't think all of the corn I can hold in at this pot, and I don't want to change pot. So I'm not gonna put all of the corn in there. The rest can go in there later on. So this is it, guys. This, get some juice. So guys, as you can see, I have Papa Harry, Malik, and Cyan. They are the one that's tasting their my Mama Joan shrimp boil. I keep saying seafood boil, but it's just a shrimp boil because it's only shrimp and corn. So I have those 3 people, member of my family, eating the food, you know. Papa Harry, what you say about it? How it taste? You know. My grandson getting some more sauce. Yes.
Yeah, if you guys don't make this at home, I don't know what you're doing. Because once you make this, your life is going to change. This is one of my favorite dishes that my grandma makes.
Simple shrimp.
Yeah, but the flavor is so rich. And it's like something I never ever tasted and nobody can make this before.
Hey, I will go to Captain Boyle. Stop go there, so. Stop go there, so.
Just give Mama Joan a call and she will hook you up. Okay, guys.
The best thing I tasted actually in my life.
So, guys, as I'm saying now, guys, I come to the end of my shrimp boil. So I'd like you to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification belly things of mine. Okay, guys? And guys, please, as I tell you from the beginning of the video, make this shrimp boil. You guys will enjoy it very, very much. You understand me? Just try it. Guys, or not watching my food video and giving me the like and the comment. A good food, me a cook food, no. I need enough to watch them, guys, and support the thing. Alright? So, guys, I would see you in the next one. Okay? Bye.